Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 21, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Second row, we have 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 can't come the 3 cells. It will come, the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 9, 6. It will come, the cells. We will confirm later. Column G and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. Sixth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, column E, and fourth grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 8. Column J also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 8. 5th row also and 6th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. 6th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I and 6th row we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 4th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we get 7. 8th row also we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.